Good evening RSTV fans, I am Rishik.
I'm Satvik.
Today we have came to the Anantagiri Hills to celebrate 2025 New Year.
New Year. It's 24 now. It's going to be gone.
Goodbye 2024, rest in peace. Now we are going to start out with 2025 in Anantagiri Hills. This is the second time I am coming here.
I came here for the first time for the tents actually.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and see the behind the scenes.
Out of like all the stuff that's happening here actually.
Yeah.
We're going to see the tents. We're going to see our own table at the tent. We're going to be sleeping here actually.
Yeah, we are going to sleep on all of these, one of those tents there. So let's go first. Go to the first place. This is the stage where the party will come.
We are going to be spending our New Year right here. And wait, I have to interrupt you for a second. Look at the sunset. The sunset looks amazing actually.
Cool. Okay, now let's move on to a few more. You know, there's not only small tents, there are actually bigger tents and then even small houses and even those cottages. They look really insane. Satvik's taking Instagram photos right now, you can see. Okay, let's not leave him alone. Let's see what he'll do. Yo, Instagram photos, hey! hey!
I needed some of those. I needed some of those actually. Those photos were actually good.
See there, then we started the video over there to the animals there. Let's go and explore more over that way.
Actually, our father is calling us. We have to go that way.
Okay. No, we'll go after some time, don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go this way. Love Parivillu. Sorry,
this place is actually nice actually.
Let's go this way. Okay guys, so what you see here is the pool, so the small kids can play. You guys can have a...
It's like a boat thing where
nice look.
You have to sit in a boat and just roll the rollers and then we just move. It's for small kids. It's actually the first time small kids have ever taken a risk, because if they don't drive properly, they fall in the water.
There are so many animal statues here. It's like this Nandi. Love Harivillu.
Yeah.
Literally so many people have come here. That is really insane. Satvik, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Hey, it's a badminton court.
Oh, yo, look at this. This is the place where people can go and do this. Here, badminton court. Satvik, where are you going? Come on. See, here is where he'll put harness and complete that entire parkour. Here there's a volleyball court. Here is the playground for the kids. And here you can do horse ride. Whoa, there's so many things to do.
Yeah, actually so many activities. I did not expect these many. You can go on the slide. Wow. Hey, this is actually very cool.
Roundabout.
There are swings. Very cool. Wait, there are everything. Oh yeah, this looks fun. Hey, this looks fun actually.
Woo! Look, and these are the outskirt tents. They're even taking dogs for a walk. Parking will be there. You have to take slips and you have to wear some orange band. And we should take our luggage and enter into one of those tents. Speaking of tents, let's go see the tents. Come on, let's go.
Let's see our tents. We actually just booked them. We're going to look at them now.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we have found the food court. This is the food court here. There. And why not? We have to put some clown boys. High five.
Yo,
Hey.
high five, bro. Actually, the next thing is we're going to go check out our tents, right? Yeah. Go through there.
Whoa. They're actually putting in the water also. That's really nice. Okay. So here is where we enter. We go on this way. Okay, once again, see the swimming pool with the boats. Let's go to our tents and show how it looks inside because we really want to know that.
Yeah.
Right?
We have not seen the inside yet, actually.
Come on, let's go.
We have not seen our own tents and we're exploring other people's tents.
6 of we are supposed to go that way.
Actually,
Okay,
we
let's
have
go.
5 tents that we've booked for
Okay.
us and others.
Okay, so as we can see, here is a cottage, houses, small houses. You can also opt those, but we opted the small tents because we of course do love tents.
Yeah, we love sleeping in tents.
Okay, come on. Let's explore one of those tents. So tents from 61 to 65 is our tents. My mom and dad are here. So here 64, 65, 63, 62 and 61.
Those all are ours, actually.
Those all are ours and another family. 2 families can fit here actually. So let's go in and see one of the tents.
This is ours. You can open it.
Okay, sorry, this is our tent. These 2 tents are ours.
So, yep. Tada! This is what inside one of the tents. I'm here. Oh my god.
Hey guys, we are in a tent.
It's so
And we are going to sleep here tonight, guys.
Yeah, after New Year. We're gonna sleep. We can actually exit the other side as well.
No, that's actually a window here
Oh, it's a window? Oh, nice.
with a net. Can put
Okay.
net also.
Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, we can. If we want to stay here forever, we can just put this up and we can, see the outside a bit. Hey, yo, wait, this is actually cool. I love tents. Love tents so much. We're sleeping. This is not a mattress. We're sleeping on styrofoam.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching our vlog. And make sure to
Like and subscribe.
and see you later. Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye, RS TV.